Hi students, I am going to show you how to sign up for the course called How to Learn Math. Um, and so right now I'm looking at the assignment that you have for March 31st through April 3rd. You'll see here that we would like that by 9 p.m. on Wednesday that you've done the math mindset questions 3, 4, and 5. So you've probably already seen this. You've probably done your weekly check-in by now. If you haven't, it's super quick. Doesn't require math, so we can do that. Um, and then there's a section called Math Mindset Work. So while school is closed, every math student in your school will do an online course called How to Learn Math. You'll be asked to do one section each week. Each section includes a few videos and a few quiz questions. It's not a quiz that has a grade. Whatever you get on the quiz will just be stored on the course, and we can't even see it. So this week we want you to do 3 things. The first one is to sign up. And so let's do that together right now. You can take the course in English or in Spanish. I'll click on English, and the same will work for Spanish. I'm going to click on Enroll. And you could probably create an account here, but I did it through Google because my Google account was already there. So I'm going to sign in through Google, and it says you've successfully signed into Google. That's because I already was signed into my Gmail account. We just need a little more information before you start learning with edX. Okay, so there you can see my email. There's my name, and then it wants me to pick a public username. Great, that one looks good. The country or region of residence doesn't look required, but maybe it is. Oh, yes, it is required. So I'm gonna just start typing. I will arrow down, United States, great. So that's where I live. By creating an account, you agree to the terms of service and honor code. I would click on that and make sure you read that. I've already signed up for an account, so I've seen that. And acknowledge that edX, which is where this course is hosted, and each member process your personal data in accordance with the privacy policy. Of course, you might want to read the privacy policy. You can support education research by providing additional info. I did that just because I am a teacher and I like research, but they ask you questions like your age, if you have any degrees like a high school diploma or a college diploma or anything beyond that. And I'm trying to think of what other questions. I feel like it was gender, the degrees you have. They might ask what state you live in as well. If you don't want to, you can click that button, and if you don't like what it looks like, just scroll down and create your account. Okay, so I'm going to create my account here. One thing just to let you know is you will get an email in your inbox that asks you to activate your email account with edX. So just make sure that you do that once you receive it from edX. And then the other thing I'll just say is that you will get some other emails from edX. So either filter those into your trash if you don't want to see them, or unsubscribe, whatever you like to do. Okay, so now we're signed up. So you can see over here, there I am, there's my username. I can, if you see my mouse here over on the right, I can click down here and I can just see different things. My dashboard, which is what I'm looking at right now, profile. I'm not gonna worry about any of those. I'm already in courses. So the only course I'm taking here is this How to Learn Math for Students. So let's view the course. Awesome. So you can see here that there's a little welcome letter. This is from Joe Bowler, professor of math learning at Stanford University. And this is actually a course that she does with students in person, and one that she's been doing online for a long time. Okay, so one thing we're gonna do down here is I'll click back to my assignment real quick. We just did number 1. We signed up for the course, and feel free to do this in English or Spanish, whichever you're comfortable with. And feel free to also put your answers in here in English or Spanish. Okay, we're gonna do lesson 1. I'm not gonna do it with you. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. So I'll go back to my course here, and do you see how lesson 1 is already open here? You can see if I click on this next one, Math and Mindset, that's lesson 2. So I'm just doing the one that says knocking down the myths about math. I'll go back to my assignment real quick. See how it says do lesson 1, knocking down the myths about math. Let's do it. Click on lesson 1. Okay, a video is going to pop up. It will press play. I want to just point out a couple things. You can change the speed if you like to hear things faster. You can read the transcript. Okay, I like watching the videos and I'll look at the transcript. I watch the videos a little faster. You can put on closed captioning, of course, but the caption is right there, which is really great. So watch the video. When you're done watching the video, you'll click next. So you're just going to work through this course. You can take the survey. They just like to, one thing that's nice about this course is I'm pretty sure they will do this survey at the end and at the beginning right now and at the end to see if any of your attitudes have changed. I'll go next. We watch another video. There's a transcript. There'll be a quiz about that video. You're going to type in your responses and hit submit. And you can see here along here, I'm seeing my progress, okay? I have a check mark here. I'm not sure why. I didn't do the survey. But you can see I don't have any check marks for any of those, okay? Let's look at what else we're going to have to do. For number 3, copy your answer to the quiz for lesson 1. Okay. Well, we had to take a quiz here about how do people feel about math. That's not the quiz we're looking for. The quiz for lesson 1 is at the very end. You're going to type your response in here, and that will go to the people who do this course. Please copy your response and paste it into your assignment or your checkpoint, wherever your teacher has told you to put your answers. Just paste it in there. So I might write, I learned, and I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste that in here. Oh, it's highlighted in green. Silly. All right, so I would put my answer there. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 things. I'm going to submit everything on this website, okay? But then I'm also going to make sure that I put it in my assignment for my teacher to see, okay? Because your teacher can't see what's on this edX website. I'm going to show you one more thing real quick. Let me just log in on my other, I've already done this course under another account. So I just want to show you, here we go. I'm going to bring this over in here. Let's see if I've got courses for myself. Oh, I might have to go to my dashboard here. There we go. All right. After you start this course, the next time you come back here, you're going to resume your course. And that will be on your dashboard. Can you see here that I have check marks next to everything in lesson 1? Cool. So if I click on course, it brought me back right where I left off. But if I click on course, I'm going to scroll down and I can see I've got lesson 1 checked off. That's what I've got so far for week 1. Okay, so I hope that helps you get signed up. Make sure you start just lesson 1, just knocking down the myths about math. And again, that means you're going to have these check marks going all the way across lesson 1. That last quiz with the check mark, just copy your response into your assignment. All right, ask questions if you need to.